Hi. If you're Nigerian, I'd like to admonish you, do not blame our leaders too much. Why am I saying that? Because our leaders come from us. Our leaders are picked out from the generality of the population. So, technically, our deficiencies are our leaders' deficiencies. Our strengths are our leaders' strengths. Our culture will be the culture of our leaders. Project management as a culture diffused into the culture is capable of putting a man on the moon. It's capable of making trains run underground. It's capable of building skyscrapers as tall as mountains. And the truth of it is that it has. If you want to see the evidence of project management as a culture, all you need to do is look at pictures of streets in more developed parts of the world. We need to understand that better projects mean a lot more than just successful projects. They mean better healthcare. They mean better schools. They mean better roads. They mean better amenities. They mean better jobs. They mean better businesses. Project management as a culture is just like electricity. That's the best way to describe it. It's good for cooking your food, and it's also good for putting a rocket into space. It's also good for powering a house. It's good for small things, it's good for big things. My duty, as I see it, my place is to get us talking about the concepts in project management. If I get you talking about risk management or cost management or schedule management, if I get you talking about this to your friends, then my job is done. I would like to spark up a discussion, something that will filter through not just people like me, people younger than me, people older than me. Over time, a lot of us would know what it is to get the job done, if ever we find ourselves in a position of power. I have made available 50 plus clips on this particular subject as my contribution to the development and the building of my country.